Free shooter games in VR are hard to find, so here are 3 amazing VR shooters that I've tried out and dumped hours into. And if you don't try them, I will smack your quest too. First off, we have Gun Raiders, which is a free-to-play VR shooter. Chat with friends while mowing down enemies in multiple game modes while jetpacking through the air or climbing from wall to wall like a monkey. Race to the top of the leaderboard while also customizing yourself with crazy meme skins in the item shop. Some of the game modes range from a classic battle royale where you can try to survive and outlive your opponents to hub and chill, which is honestly pretty cool. It's great for those who look for something slower pace and want to hang out in the hub with other players and make new friends. They also have all the classic modes like Assault, Control, Free for All, and Team Deathmatch. Second is Amxr, which is a 5v5 fast-paced multiplayer shooter where you play online with people or offline against bots and practice your skills. You can also host a LAN server and play with users on the same Wi-Fi network, which is great to see this feature, and I hope more multiplayer games follow soon. You can also play while sitting down using the height adjustment slider. Warning though, since this is an app from App Lab, it hasn't gone through the full Oculus review process, so it may include unknown issues or bugs relating to comfort, performance, or any other factor. Third is we have Hyperdash, a VR multiplayer shooter like the other ones before, but this one is becoming one of my favorites right now. Some of the game modes range from payload, domination, team deathmatch and capture your flag, elimination, and ball. And you can also remix any of these game modes with mutators, which change how you play the game. Movement in this game is pretty amazing, so you can make use of dashing, sprinting, and rail grinding to get around the arena fast to engage the enemy in a fast-paced combat and secure the objective for your team. This game also has an offline mode and bots, rebindable controls, left-handed support, which is big for me who's also left-handed. So if I didn't mention your favorite free-to-play shooter game, let me know down in the comments because I'm really interested to hear what it is.